arthritis is basically the inflammation of joints, and talking about arthritis, there are three main nutrients which we will focus on. Mainly the three nutrients are protein, calcium and vitamin D. Protein is required for bones and your lean muscles and everything. So protein, basically high biological protein like all the dairy products and your meat, chicken or your eggs can be included in your diet. And for calcium, it is required for the bone density and strengthening your bones. So calcium plays an important role. The sources of calcium can be milk and also curd, etc. And talking about vitamin D, if it's not present in our body, so the calcium doesn't get absorbed, so that leads to deficiency of calcium and leads to arthritis. So there are various kind of foods which need to be taken and which need to avoid while suffering from arthritis. So apart from that, all the packaged foods and fried foods and etc. And foods to be taken can be like protein, mainly tofu, paneer, chicken, calcium sources like ghee, butter and curd, milk, etc. And vitamin D, the only sources of vitamin D is sunlight. Apart from that, you can always visit the physician and take the supplements. So the foods which should be avoided in arthritis are as follows. Like number 1 is alcohol, number 2 tobacco, number 3 all the fatty foods, all the unsaturated fats like butter, etc. and cholesterol. If the person is suffering from cholesterol, egg yolk should be avoided, and processed food, ready to eat foods, tobacco, etc. And for the foods to be taken is like calcium rich curd, protein tofu, paneer, green leafy vegetables, fruits can be incorporated, whole cereals can be incorporated, and green leafy vegetables should be incorporated. And also for arthritis, exercise is very important. So exercise plays an important role. Along with that, vitamin D plays an important role. So for vitamin D, either the sunlight, or if the deficiency is too much, then you should always go and visit your health experts and take supplements for it.